conditional sentence type 1. Okay. In conditional sentence type 1, we use subject plus first form of verb. Okay. And then we use subject plus future simple. For instance, if it rains, we will go out. This is one of the easiest examples. This is one part, and that is another part. The idea is same. If clause and main clause, okay, or dependent clause and independent clause. There is like one more name for it as well. Dependent. We also say a subordinate clause to this part. Okay. So it might come with different names. If clause, dependent clause, or subordinate clause, and then the main clause or independent clause, as we say, or principal clause. Okay, these are the names for it. With if, it is always present simple, first form of a verb, and with main clause, it is always future simple. Like if it rains, we will go out. We use such kind of sentences because we are kind of speculating. We are trying to guess. Okay. Uh, we say that conditional sentence type 1 is used when we talk about the thing that is called contrary to fact. Rather, I say that possibility in present or future. That is easy. Okay. There is some possibility in present or future about something. If I use if it rains, we will go out. I look out of the window and I see there are clouds, okay, and a very cool breeze is there. These two indications are telling me that there might be rain. It is possible in present right now, or maybe in the future, that it will rain. So in such kind of condition, when there is a possibility in present or future, we will use this type 1. If it rains, we will go out. Okay. We have, you need to remember that this definition is important because in the other conditional sentence, which is type 2, we have a different definition. Okay. And the meaning changes as per its definition. So if the examiner gives you a certain kind of sentence, he wants to check this conditional sentence type 1. Okay, if it rains, we will go out. Now, what kind of question will come in the exam? Let's see. The examiner might give you a sentence like, I will pass the test with flying colors if I work hard. Okay, this is one of the sentence which the examiner might give you. I will pass the test with flying colors if I worked hard. Now we have option A, which will be almost the same, worked. We'll have option B, that is works, option C, working, option D, work, and option E, will work. Now, if the sentence is about present simple, which is like conditional sentence type 1, we need to see that what kind of a structure it should have. Um, Very quickly, you need to realize that if one part has future simple, the other part should have present simple. Okay, uh, and like I said, this sentence can come also in a way where we started with if. If I worked hard, I will pass the test with flying colors. Okay, the idea is to show that there is a possibility. I am preparing for the test. I am giving it a lot of time, and I hope that if I work hard, I'll pass the test with flying colors. By flying colors, we mean like with good marks. Okay, I'll top probably come into top 10 in the result. So the possibilities that we have, options we have, worked. Well, past tense cannot come into such kind of sentence. So this is not possible. Works with I, we can never use works. Okay, works shows third person singular, and if it is he or she or it or name of individual like one person, maybe a male name or a female name, then probably it can work. Working, this is an ing form. If it is right, then there should be I am working or I was working or I will be working or I have been working, something like that, which is not there. The work, which is a simple form with I. In present simple tense, with I we use first form of a verb and simple form without any S or ES. Will work, again, both parts cannot have future simple. Okay, one part with the first form of a verb, the other part with future simple. So option D will work out in this situation. And don't get confused. I'm repeating it. If the sentence starts with if, okay, if it starts with if, like if I work hard, I will pass the test with flying colors. There is no harm in writing it like this. A sentence can start with if clause or it can start with main clause. There won't be any problem. Okay, this is the second type. Sorry, first type, conditional sentence type 1, present simple, and then future simple. There is also a second type of the same sentence, conditional